Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And today we are going to make Starbucks cold foam. So I have myself stopped going to Starbucks so much because it is just so expensive. Like everything else, it has become outrageous. And the thing that I like the most about Starbucks is the cold foam. And to be fair, most of the time they like get rid of the cold foam I like very quickly anyways. So we are going to make lavender cold foam, and I forgot the lavender. All right, so what I have is heavy whipping cream, milk. I like to use the Fairlife because it's got more protein in it. And not that I'm using much of it anyways, but, and then I've got lavender. So this lavender came from Amazon. And then I've got my container to mix it in. Isn't this so cute? This measuring cup came from Target, and my measuring spoons also from Target. I got my coffee ready to go, and then my little whisk. I got this at Publix, $4.99. All right, so we are going to put my coffee to the side. We're gonna start with our whipping cream. And you can use whipping cream, heavy cream, it's all the same. And this is going to be 3 tablespoons of this. So there's that. And then we're gonna do our milk. Put that just so milk drip. And then milk, you can use whatever milk you want. I always use whole milk. 1, 2 tablespoons of that. So it's 3, 2, 1. So 3 of this, 2 of this, and then we're gonna do 1 of our lavender. And with this, you can do any flavor that you want. And then we're just going to whip it. So tired, you know, that night shift just really gets me. Even on the days that I'm off, because my body is so back and forth. I'm still hoping to be able to go to day shift. I haven't heard yet whether or not my friend got that job. If so, I'll go to day shift. And I want him to, just because it's what he'd really like and he'll be great at it. And then you're just going to foam it up until you're happy with the consistency. It's a nice foamy consistency. I got my cup of coffee ready to go. And here is my cold foam. Oh, that looks so good. That is perfect. Absolutely perfect. I love it. All right. Listen, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day. I'm going to just add a couple little things to the end of this that I wanted to share. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye. out doing my nightly walk for my lunch break at work, and yep, almost stepped right on this little guy here. He scared me to death. Hi, can I say hi? You are so pretty. Hi. I wish I had some food for you. You are such a pretty baby. And you're so friendly. Look how beautiful your head is. Oh, look, your friend is coming. Hi, baby. Hello. Hello. Well, hi. Your eyes are so pretty. I wish I could get them in this. Your eyes are like orange. I'm not gonna hurt you. I promise. Look, I won't hurt you, baby. I won't hurt you. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hi.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
I know, aren't they beautiful? They're so sweet. Hi, friends. I just wanted to share this weather with you. It has been stormy, but I love it. It's given my yard some much needed love. I'm just sitting here in my chair out here and studying. There's Raina. She's laying over there. So this back porch, after I get out of school, I plan on, like, I have a thought in my head of how I want it to be, but I plan on turning it like pink, white, and black are gonna be the colors. Where right now it's kind of more blue and orange. I'm gonna do a pink, white, and black. That Scrabble board there, I don't use it anymore, but the glass board is like a turn style kind of board, and I have a plan for it too. I'm just not wanting to get started in anything until I get out of school, you know? So this is definitely study weather. Coffee weather. I don't really mind it. It's just very peaceful and relaxing.